Where are we going?
Listen.
Welcome back. And if you're wondering, Frank, why are you playing with a frozen pole? Well, I have a special guest for you today. My daughter, Della girl. You excited to go fishing? If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our new content. And remember, when we get to 100 subscribers, we'll have a giveaway. And every 100 subscribers after that. Some of the things you might find in the giveaway will be a reel. And some of the best hooks on the market. Look, oh, you saw the fish? It splashed.
That was a big one.
All right, let's get it baited up and get the line in the water, huh? What do we use it for bait, Adeline?
Worms and that cup.
So right now the water clarity is very, very dark. There's less vegetation that was in here last time. You don't have to lean on me, baby.
But they got warm.
It's okay.
What?
Look, hold your pole.
Okay.
It's gonna get you, it's gonna get you. All right, let's cast it again, huh? Let's see. All right, so sorry that camera wasn't on for that one, but we were moving. That is a decent sized bass. Look at that. Look, you want to hold it?
No.
Give it a kiss.
No.
Give it a kiss. All right. Oh, have fun. But he's back in the water, guys.
It almost blasted me. Now let's get another one.
Let's try to get another one. That was awesome, huh?
I want to get another one so we can throw it back in the water. Is that your cat? Okay.
You want to hold your pole?
Yeah.
Look, let me show you how to hold it. You hold it with this hand here. Now look, hold it with this hand here. Put this hand up here. Don't reel. Okay, we're reeling it in. You want to cast it?
Yeah.
All right, look. I'm going to show you how to cast it. Hold your finger down on this button. Go over your shoulder. Go forward and let go. That was a good cast. Now reel it in some. Not all the way. Oh, we already had a bite.
You had a
Come here.
bite?
Yeah, watch. Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Reel it. Come on, reel it, reel it. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Fast, fast, fast. Look at that. Look at that, your first fish. Your first fish.
Oh, wait.
Look at it.
Just for a little bit.
Oh, you touched your first fish.
Yeah,
You want to give him a kiss?
No, no thank you.
You want Daddy to give him a kiss?
Yeah,
Mwah.
no want to. Because that will be too cool.
Was that awesome?
Yeah, that was a big fish. That was almost a little fish. Look at that dragonfly trying to get the worm.
Look. Oh, oh, come on, Adeline. Reel it, reel it. Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Reel it, come on, keep reeling. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Look, you caught another one. You caught another one.
Yay! It went under.
Yeah.
And that kind of looked like SpongeBob. Is here.
Give him a kiss.
No. I can pet him.
Okay, you want to pet him? All right, let's put him back, huh? How awesome is that?
Yeah, that was a big fish. You know they got big fish in there.
All right, let's try to get another one, huh?
Great shot, Dad. That was the biggest. Oh, man.
Let's get the snot grass off. You want some snot grass?
No, no thank you. I don't like snot grass.
You don't like snot grass?
No, I don't eat it. Yeah.
No. Come on, Adeline, reel. Reel it.
I don't know.
Come on, keep reeling.
Well.
Now look. Look, you caught another one. Oh, you caught another one. How awesome is that?
Can I pet it?
You want to pet it?
Yeah.
You want to take a picture with it?
No. Yes. I don't want to hold it, but that's okay because Bessie.
All right, let's see if we got a worm. We're gonna make one more cast, okay? Oh, the worm's out. Do you want to put another worm on and try to catch another fish, or are you done?
I'm done.
Okay, we're done. Let's go back. All right, guys. So we had caught some fish. Della girl had a blast while fishing. I would say today was a success. You know, they had a target bass in there that I would see and could never get a hook on, and as you seen at the beginning of the video, we wound up catching him on a perch hook and a worm. So you never know what you're going to catch a fish on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to enter to win our giveaway at 100 subscribers. If there's ever anything you would like to see us try out or do, let us know. We'll do it to the best of our ability. My daughter is a dancer. Will freak out if she gets a frog on her, but she had the most fun and told everybody we saw yesterday that she went fishing and caught fish. So little things like that will stick with a kid's memory more than anything else. Adeline, are you having fun?
Yeah.
How many fish you caught? No, 3. You caught 3. All right.